Hey everyone! Again, doing a ton of boxes in a row of things and uploading them as I go along. So I got the Walmart Beauty Box. I thought this would be worthwhile to try. Tell me what you think at the end of it, what you think. For those who have not been here, my name is Rachel and this is my channel, and I do a blog called Travel with Red where I like to go over products, beauty things. My blog is a little bit more random. It has some travel stuff, but my videos tend to be kind of lifestyle, beauty, what a working mom does. So anyway, this was $5. It is a monthly subscription. You just go online on walmart.com and you can sign up for it. And so this came pretty quickly after I ordered it. And this one is the Embrace Your Beauty. So this is actually the spring box, I believe. I can't remember. Are these quarterly? I think they're quarterly. Yeah, I think they're quarterly. Anyway, so they sent me the spring box, which had come out, I think, in April, and it's June, so I think there's another box coming out soon. But anyway, it's the Embrace Your Beauty, and they want you to rate and review, and then it gives you a chance to win a gift card. So this is what it looks like here, and I'm just gonna go over this real quick. So there's not a lot of fanfare, but it's $5. So the first thing they sent me was this Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask. And this is, I don't know what the heck donkey milk is. I'm assuming it's like the milk that you get from a lactating donkey. This seems a little weird, but I guess it's no worse than putting cow's milk on your face. Salmon egg extract. And you're supposed to put this on for 15 to 20 minutes, and it's a skin gel mask. So I'm gonna have to try this. This is very intriguing, and yet sounds kind of weird. So it's supposed to nourish and restore. So this is the mask, and they show you the donkey and the caviar. So anyway, this is intriguing. The next thing here is, this looks like it would be a full sample, but this is actually just like a partial little like foil packet sample, only a little bit bigger. This is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. This is crushed macadamia and rice milk. So I think this is okay. So it says, in shower or bath, scoop a generous amount, polish with circular. So it's like a little soap circle thing. So I'll have to try that. The packaging unfortunately feels like it's a bit of a waste because it is a foil packet. But you know, it's a $5 thing, so I'm not gonna complain too much. This next thing is this Soft Soap Earth Blends Moisturizing Body Wash. So yeah, this will be nice for like travel and trips. We're gonna go to Spain in a couple months, so maybe I'll just throw this in there because little travel size soaps are always good. This is the Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer, and so this is for fair to medium skin tone. So apparently you're supposed to apply this on wet skin, and then I guess the color stays on you and not on your towel is what it says. So this is like a, I'm not going to open it up and use it, but you can see it just kind of like a white cream. I guess it's supposed to make you bronze a little bit or glow. So we'll see. That's kind of a cool, that's 2 fluid ounces. That's a decent size. And then they give you these Garnier Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner packets. I'm not super excited about these. I'm pretty picky on my shampoo and conditioners, and I have some other ones that I want to try. So I don't know. I may give these away to somebody, but oh, it is paraben free, so that's good. That makes me a little bit more excited about these. So these samples are coming out everywhere. So they give you the oh, here they say it. So they give you little handouts about these. So it says that this is paraben free, and it's supposed to have protein rich milk, soothing rice cream to moisturize, and give like weightless moisturizing. I need non-weightless moisturizing. My hair is pretty dry. So and then they give you this little handout on the Earth Blends hand soap, paraben, alcohol free, and dye free. You think it'd be a coupon, but it's not. So anyway, that is the beauty box. I like the Target boxes a little bit better. These aren't bad, and for $5, I can't really complain. Like, there's more than $5. Like, this alone is, you know, more than $5, and then they throw the other thing. So I'm going to keep doing this a couple more months and kind of see if they get stuff that I'm interested in. I'd say I'm only really interested in about 2, maybe 3 of the items in here. So it's a cool idea and everything. So I'm going to give it a couple more tries, but tell me what you think, if you think this is worth the time and the money. I know some people love this box. It feels hit or miss, but it's so cheap that I don't feel like I'm getting gypped or anything. So anyway, comment below, hit the subscription box, hit the bell. I'm going to be uploading every couple of days, but I'm doing a whole row of these videos all in a row. Tell me if you think I should go ahead and keep doing this for a while or just kind of go as always, follow me on all my different social media. I have linked that below. I think I've got a couple more boxes that I'm going to try to run through here real quick before I have to pop in the shower and get back to reality. So anyway, bye guys.